Hi everyone, welcome to iTrain Kids. I am Noor, your trainer for today. So for today, I'm going to introduce to you about 3D printing course. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. You will begin your journey into 3D printing course by learning the fundamentals of using the website for modeling your solid objects, and also you will learn on how to operate the 3D printer. In this course, all you need are an online website to design your model, a software to slice your models, and of course, a 3D printer to print your amazing models and bring it to life. This course consists of 3 modules. On the first module, you will begin modeling your 3D objects by using Tinkercad website. Next, intermediate module, which is module 2, you will learn in details about the 3D printer, and lastly, the advanced module, you will be exposed with hands-on project like designing your own functional 3D objects. Okay, let's jump right into this course. As you can see now, this is the Tinkercad website. This is where you are going to construct your model based on the provided drawing. Let's take a look on the right side of the screen. This is the basic shapes that are provided for you. You are going to combine these shapes until it becomes like this car right here. So here you can adjust the length of your model and the width of your model into your desired value, which is here. Mine is 36.13 and 81.99. These measurements are in millimeter. You can also adjust the height of your model. Like mine is 38.00 millimeter. When you are done modeling your 3D objects, you can export to print it later. So, to print your object, you must download your 3D model into STL file, like here. Click on this one and then it will start download. Now, to print out your 3D model, you will need to download a software called Ultimaker Cura. In this software, it will help you to estimate for how long your model will print out later. So, here, click on the file here and then click on the 3D model STL form and click open, and there you go. This is the model that you have constructed just now. And then to estimate how long does this model take to print out, you can click on slice. So this model will take around 4 hours 18 minutes to print out, and you can also click on preview to see the process of the printing this model. Here. Let's say you want to take a look on slice 164. You can click on the play button here, and then it will start preview on how it will print out your model later. While waiting for it to print, you can also adjust the quality by changing the properties here. As for today, we are not going to change any properties because we want to print it as it is. So, when you are done previewing the model, you can save this file into save to disk, and then save it to the given disk that provide for you. When you are done previewing your model, you can click on save to disk and then make sure it will be saved in G-code file and then click save. Now you are ready to print out your model. Okay, now we are going to start to print out our model. Firstly, we have to level our 3D printer. Leveling a 3D printer is the process of calibrating the height of the print bed to ensure it is the correct distance from the print nozzle across its entire surface. Having a level bed will result in fewer print failures, higher quality prints, and is the key to getting a great first layer on all of your prints. First, you have to click on leveling and then click on auto level. This will make our 3D printer to level by itself. Okay, when you are done leveling your 3D printer, you can click on print and then find the file that we have uploaded just now, which is card. Click on that and then we can start print. Have you seen on the software Ultimaker Cura, it will take around 4 hours and 80 minutes to finish printing the model. Before we print our model, we need to set the temperature of our nozzle and our bed to the optimum temperature of the filament's properties. First, we can click on Preheat PLA and then wait until our nozzle reaches 200 degrees Celsius and our temperature of the bed reaches 60. Alright, now we can see the temperature of the nozzle is already reached around 195 degrees, while the temperature of the bed is 59, which is the optimum temperature for this 3D printer to print out the model. So you can press print and then find the file, the card file, press on it and then click on print. And now your 3D printer will start printing the object. Ta-da! Now, this is the outcome of our 3D model that we have constructed just now. So, all we need now is a spatula to remove our model from the bed gently. So, here, using spatula, gently lift up the model from the bed. Okay, we are successfully removed the model from the bed. So this is the outcome of our 3D printer course. Oh no. Okay. So this is the end of our 3D printing course. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.